Hey guys, how you doing? How you doing? It's your boy Jonathan Medina, still home entrepreneur. I'm so excited, man. I'm about to do a training, right, and show you how am I getting so much traffic onto my site, right? Why am I getting so much traffic? How am I getting all this traffic? How am I getting so many people into my site? And how am I making sales, right? So I'm going to just give you a breakdown with this system that I'm using called the Bills Club TV. It is this platform, it's this new feature that we added into the platform that's getting me crazy engagement, guys. And I'm gonna show you why, and I'm gonna explain to you why I'm getting crazy engagement. I'm gonna show you right here. In 31 days, I got 8,660 visitors to come onto my site. The powerful thing about coming to your site is that you got all these contents that they're able to go in and check out, right? Different content about mindset, coach corners, content interviews, even beacon and all that stuff, right? I'm gonna explain to you why is it so powerful, and this is right here is what's been getting me all this traffic, crazy traffic. Because the thing is that when they go into these channels, right? Let me explain to this before I go into the training and show you how I'm doing it. Once they go into these channels, right? The powerful thing about it is that they're going to be able to see the powerful content, right? The content that I'm sharing. If you see me looking up, guys, it's because I got the screen up here, and I like looking more up because it's bigger, right? Instead of looking down here. So yeah, guys. So once it goes in, because it gets kind of slow whenever I'm doing a training with the recording. So I'm going to explain to you, this is so crazy right here. All right, so I'm going to explain to you how easy it is to get your business out there, man. It's just this simple couple steps that I'm doing that I'm getting so much engagement. It's just so crazy. It's so funny. I haven't even been posting in groups. I haven't been doing none of that. All I've been doing is just sharing content, sharing free stuff, free content, free information that they could use anybody could use for the business. Oh man, what's going on here? Right, so it's kind of slow right now. So let me go ahead and wait for that to load, right? So let me explain something to you. This system right here, right, this new feature that got added, it helps you build engagement on Facebook. It's going to help you build engagement on Facebook. It's going to help you get more clients. It's going to help you get more, how can I say it, more of I don't want to say clients because it sounds like he's trying to sell to people and stuff like, well, that's what basically some people do online, right? They got products they got to sell. But basically what I do is I look for leaders. I'm looking for leaders. I'm looking for people that want to take their business to a whole different level. Want to use a platform like this to be able to get more engagement, more leads. This is the platform you want to use, right? Because the thing is that these are viral posts that you could post, right? There's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of posts that you could use, right? And the thing is that before you start going through these platforms, right, you want to watch this video first, right, to give you an idea of how the system works, how this platform works, right? This is free content that I'm sharing with people. This is free videos. This is free for you to grab. The best part about it is free for you to grab. And then you watch this video right here to show you how you can get your engagement to go up in 30 days. What's up, baby? Yeah, I know. I'm doing laundry right now. I'll be out there in a little bit, okay? Yeah, it's almost done. All right, I'll be out there in a little bit. All right, so guys, are you watching Coco? Nice. So you guys know I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a stay-at-home entrepreneur. So I got my niece here. But you want to say hi? Say hi. Alrighty. All right, baby. I'll be out there in a little bit, okay? Close the door. Thank you, baby. All right, so guys, so basically, like I said, I'm an entrepreneur, stay-at-home entrepreneur. So you're gonna always see stuff that happens, right? So check this out, guys. So right, so you're gonna watch this video, and then this video is gonna basically break it down to you, give you the full understanding of how to get engagement, because it's not only about sharing the content, because you can post, look at, if you notice a lot of people, what they do is that they get content, they share other people's content, they steal people's posts and they put it on their page, and they say, why am I not getting so much engagement like they are? Why are they getting so much engagement and I'm not getting the same engagement? Because the thing is that you're not doing the proper steps to be able to get more engagement into your post. And this video right here is going to show you exactly how to get engagement on your post, right? And I started using this new feature, it just started popping up, and my engagement just went up through the roof, right? Because I went through the steps, I went through training. Like I said, we do trainings every Sunday for the team. Once I get the system, guys, I guarantee you get engagement like crazy, and you're gonna get so many people onto your platform. I'm gonna explain why. Because once you keep scrolling down, every 10th video, every 10th post, once you get here, it's gonna go into another video that you can watch. It's going to talk about the Bills Club TV, right? A presentation about the Bills TV. If they keep going down, there's a powerful thing about it. It's going to go to your personal branded channel. So you're going to have a channel 14 that's going to be your personal branded channel where people are going to be able to watch you do a presentation. That's if you want to get, if you're comfortable enough to do a video. If not, trust me that the training that we have, by the time you get through the first couple of trainings, you're going to be a pro at it, right? Because the thing is that for me, when I first started doing online marketing, it was hard for me to do a video. I had to do a 10-3 recording just to get one good video, right? So what I did is that I became so good at it that now I just talk fluently. If you see right now, I talk fluently. I talk about this experience that I have online, and I love it, guys. Like I said, this system will do all the training for you. The system will do everything for you. It'll hold you by the hand, you know, and it have everything. It'll get everything done for you, right? So now, once you click on here, it's gonna go to your personal branded channel, right? So we keep everybody entertained with these free posts. We got these free posts that they could be able to use, right? So I'm giving out this free content. Now they could go right here, right? This is another thing too, that they could go right here and register for the free live hangout that we have for the team to do the presentation about the system. So they can register right here. I mean, this is all going to be done for you guys. This is going to be a system that's going to take your business to a whole different level, because you're going to be able to bring yourself. I'm going to explain why, how. I don't know what happened here, so let me go ahead and see that shit real quick. Let me go down. If I can refresh that, I don't know. I think I'm going to have to, yep, right there. So basically, so once they go into your channel, right, this is going to be channel 1, right? I'm gonna show you the power behind it. So it's gonna be all this gonna be channel. Oh, look at guys, because look at the thing that a lot of people make mistakes at, that they always want to go pitching the opportunity, pitching opportunity, pitching opportunity, pitching opportunity. You don't want to do that when it comes to online marketing, because it's gonna look like you're just spamming people and you're just hitting over the head, and people just gonna look at you like, I've already seen this before. So you want to get, and these contents, they change every Sunday, right? Every Sunday these videos will rotate. So it rotates automatically. Not only that, you can make subdomains. You can make thousands of subdomains, guys. Like, you could be unlimited subdomains to keep creating more videos if you like, and the training is going to show you how to be able to create your own videos. And if you go down my timeline on my page on my YouTube, you'll be able to watch all the content that I be posting. So now, when they go, check this out, guys. So I'm gonna explain something to you. Like, you can share this right off your branded channel, off to your platform. You can share this on your Facebook, on Twitter, on Messenger, on Pin, and on all these other things. Baby girl, I'm doing something right now. Give me a few minutes, okay? Just give me a few minutes, all right?
Tell me you want candy.
All right, I'll tell you if I want some candy. Thank you, baby. Kids, you already know when they hear me when she hears me on here, she wants to come down and see what I'm doing. You know how it is. I already know that. I already know her tricks, right? So she wants to hear herself when later on when I do a recording. She's like, I heard myself. Like, yeah, baby, you did. Right, so basically you can share all your content through all these different. If you have any of these, you can just share it right through here. That's the powerful behind the system, guys. And I'm telling you, I share it right through all this. Right, so now right here, right, you can see right here, you can go channel 1. So if they get done watching channel 1, right, once they get done channel one, they can go to channel 2. Right, they can go to channel 2, and when they go to channel 2, it's going to be a whole different content, another video that they can go ahead and watch. And that's why so many people are so addicted with this, guys. I'm telling you, people go into these platforms and they stay addicted to it. They don't even want to leave. I work right through the platform. I don't go nowhere. I stay right in the platform. And yeah, I'm sorry about that. So I stay right in the platform, man. I mean, like, I say, guys, sorry, I had to do another recording because it froze up. So let me go ahead and show you guys. I mean, guys, this is so epic. I mean, right now this is channel 2. And remember, your photo's gonna be on here. They could go ahead and add you on Facebook, because remember, you're gonna be posting this in different groups, so people could go right in and add you right there for Facebook. And my Facebook, I tell you, people be asking for friend requests constantly, and it goes, it's crazy. And it's not the ad. Like I said, the friend requests is from the females that you already know that them. It's always like that. And you're gonna have the recommended income screen, and you're gonna have your own personal, like I said, your personal branded page, right? Let me go ahead and go into my personal branded page real quick and show you what you're able to do, right? Because what I do is I put everything under one platform, guys. I put everything under one video. I do a presentation about myself. That's why it's so powerful to have your personal branded channel, because, and like I said, you can do multiple fan pages, multiple subdomains. I mean, you could do multiple fan pages. You could do, I mean, you don't even know. This is so epic. It's so powerful. Let it go ahead and load up real quick. And I'm gonna show you how am I getting so much traffic. And I'm gonna do it live, and I'm just gonna do it with a few people in here to show you how easy it is to get people involved with what I'm doing, right? Sorry about that. Let me go ahead and get myself ready here so I can go ahead and show you how easy it really is to be able to, let me go ahead and like this. guys, and I love what I do, guys. I'm telling you, I love what I do. I got a passion for this. I love helping people out because it's basically, I love helping people build a business from home. It's basically the system does all the training is all in the system. And I'm gonna show you how easy it is, guys. I'm gonna show you. Look at, I already got everything pre-written, so I don't have to do too much. Let me go ahead and put this up here, so I can go ahead and show you. All right, once this loads, right? So now it's kind of slow right now because when I do recording, like I said before, my computer is kind of slow, and the internet here is, you already know, right? So, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you real quick with a live feed. So basically, I'm gonna go into my page, right? I'm gonna go into my page real quick. So whenever you add me, just go ahead and send me inbox that you added me, that you send me a friend request. That way I can go ahead and add you, because I get so many fake pages out there. I don't add all of them. So I'm real picky about the people that I add, because as I say, I got a targeted audience, guys. I got a targeted audience. Everybody that I got on my page is all entrepreneurs. I don't have nobody, no crazy poses and stuff like that. Everything's all entrepreneurs, because that's what the people I'm looking for. That's the people that I'm trying to connect with. I'm gonna show you why. It's kind of slow right now, but I'm sorry about it. Let me go ahead and close this right here. I'm gonna show you why it's so powerful. Right, and this is my personal branded page, but right here I'm gonna be talking about myself, doing presentations about myself, talking about who I am and what is it that I do, and how I got a passion for this, right? And then you got the background. You see the background, like you can create the background however you want it. You can put anything in the back, little testimony about my personal testimony when I got shot and stuff like that. Give them an inside look, give them a better understanding of who I am. And then this tool right here is phenomenal. You got to get this tool right here, man. I mean, that's how I get so much traffic so fast, because this page I opened up maybe too long ago on October. I opened it up on October, and when I opened it up, what happened is that I added everybody that I added to my page is all entrepreneurs. And then like I said, guys, this is gonna be supernatural, man. Like this right here, I could add at least 1,000 members. I could send 1,000 friend requests. Look at 800 friend requests. I do it every night before I go to sleep. I put it on, I let it ride, and then when I wake up, I got like 700, 600 friend requests that I sent out. And like I said, if you use this tool, what you do is that when you use this tool, you don't like I said, you could send 700 friend requests, but not everybody is going to add you, because some of them are fake pages probably, or some of them are people that are on vacation, stuff like that. So what I do is I let it sit for like 3 or 4 days, and then I go back into the system and I'll be able to delete all the pending friend requests that I sent. And then there's a free opportunity right here, another opportunity right here. That's when you invest in. You can go right here to go to a webinar, check it out. They're all clickable. Everything here clickable. Another opportunity that I have is free to join. Turn cash into gold, right? Transfer cash into gold. And then guys, like I said, everything's right here. Not only that, like I said, I like to keep my audience entertained. So I got high targeted audience on Facebook, cool cars, right? Like a little video about cool cars, comedy. I got a little comedy thing going on here. A movie trailer from 2019. Grant Cardone, you know me, he's a popular guy out there. Everybody knows who he is. Talking about taxes and stuff like that, because I work for a company about taxes. So guys, like I said, guys, I don't try to sell anything. All I try to do is help people build their business from home, and you know what I mean? So it's epic, man. This is epic. It's powerful. Like I said, I work from home, so people are gonna be walking in and walking out. So now, let me see. So now this is where the power comes at, man. I'm gonna show you how it's just if it goes fast enough, right? Because the internet sometimes, you know what I mean? When I got so much stuff on, let me see what else I gotta open over here. I gotta turn off, or I gotta go ahead and close. And I'm gonna keep it simple, guys. I mean, like I said, guys, everything you wanna do, you wanna keep it simple. Everything that I do, I keep it simple. I don't try to make it harder than what it is, because I try to do everything where everything just works on its own, right? So I try to make everything out. I try to make sure everything works on its own. So let me show you what I mean by letting it work on its own. Let's see if let's do it, because right now this internet is not working on my side, right? It's not working on my side right now. So now let me see if what is going on here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to one of my posts that I posted earlier. Comment on your post, stuff like that. All right, so this guy commented on one of my posts. Let me check it out. Right. So what I do is I'm telling you, this is so easy, guys. This is so easy. And I got some more tricks that I can show you, man. I mean, I got some more tricks that I can show you. If you're a type that don't like doing videos, you're the type that don't like presenting yourself out there and talking to people, I got the right way of you getting mad traffic mass sales for any business opportunity you have out there. As long as your business opportunities are out there on the platform, on Facebook already, if people already promoting and stuff like that, I can show you a way that you could be able to brand yourself without having to go through the whole struggle of branding yourself, right? If you're the type of person that's not comfortable to talk to people at the moment, but like I said, once you join the Bills Club TV, you're going to learn how to be able to do it, right? So right now it's kind of slow, guys. So I think I'm gonna have to hold off on that, man. I really want to show you guys how easy it is to get your content out there. But I mean, you can just do it right through, like right here. Look, I can share this right here. This right here, the viral post. I can share it through the Facebook. Look, I'm gonna show you how many posts that we have. We just keep going and going and going, guys. It's just gonna keep going and going and going and going and going. Right? These are all viral posts that have been tested and got so many engagements, so much engagement to go on, and just every day some more get added on there. Every day more daily posts get added on there. And these are posts that are getting 123, 102, and 132 likes and I'm gonna say emojis and stuff like that, and comments, man. Because the thing is that you gotta watch this video to be able to get the full understanding how to get them engagement, right, guys? So there's a free video that you can watch free of charge. That way you can go ahead and get your engagement going up. And then, guys, like this is a lead magnet. Oh, you look so beautiful. Look at you, baby. Nice. I like that. What is that, butterfly? Wow, you look so nice. Hey, my niece came in with a butterfly dress on. But yeah, guys, so let me go ahead and yeah, it's kind of slow right now, so I don't think I'll be able to do it right now. I don't want to be holding up. Yeah, I like your dress. It looks so nice. Wow, beautiful. That looks real nice. Yeah. You gonna fly too? Yeah. Alright, don't be jumping off of stuff, right? Because they really believe they can fly, right?
I believe in fly.
Oh yeah. Alright, so guys, it looks like it's kind of going slow right now, and I don't want to hold you guys up. So, like I said, in the next training, what I'm gonna do, like I said, this platform is so powerful because what I'm doing is, wow, that's nice, beautiful.
I see this is working.
Yeah, let me finish doing this, okay? Then we're gonna play in a little bit, okay?
Yeah, but you have
to... You're the princess, of course. You're the princess.
This is it.
All right, baby. Let me finish doing this right here, okay? All right. Let me go back to it. Like I said, guys, I'm a stay-home entrepreneur. There's the things that happen, right? And I love it. I really do. All right, guys. So let me go ahead and just go and finish this off because it's not working right now, and I don't want to keep taking more of your time. But guys, like I said, I'm gonna leave the link down below. Go ahead and just get this system. I mean, 7 days for free to try it out. Give it a try. The training is gonna show you how to get everything going. It's all gonna be self-explanatory for 7 days. Trust me, in 7 days you're gonna see engagement like crazy. And like my system, like look at right now. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh this. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh this real quick to show you the power behind this platform. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and refresh this real quick. Come on, right here. I'm gonna refresh it to show you. That's if it's working, right? Because it's kind of slow right now. And we're connected with the Power Lead system, guys. We are connected with the Power Lead system. This is going to be epic. I get crazy traffic. Like I said, I had almost 8,600 and something visitors to my site. Imagine how many of those signed up, right? Gotta let me finish here, okay? It's not working right now, guys. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and shut it down. So guys, it's not working right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and just shut it down, okay? So I'm sorry, I was not able to show you that part in, but I will be doing another video about it once I get this thing going. I guess my internet is kind of acting up right now. So guys, God bless, and hopefully this video was helpful and you was able to understand how this concept works. So hopefully, if you do join that team, please send me an inbox and say that you joined. I mean, I'm gonna get a notification anyways that you joined, so I can add you to the team, and you can start your training and join our live webinars on Sundays. A live training webinar just for the team on Sundays of how to get more engagement, how to get more traffic for your business. And on Mondays is when we do a presentation where you can add people to the presentation of the platform and get commissions off of that too, right? That's a whole different story, guys. Like I said, you can make money with this opportunity. It's crazy. So God bless people. Hopefully you're having a blessed night, blessed day, whenever you watch this video, and good night.